going to be a long night. How about some coffee, Johnny?
No thanks.
I want the best available man in this. A man who knows that plane inside and out and won't crack under pressure.
How about Mr. Rogers?
Mayday! Mayday? What the hell is that?
Mayday? Why, that's the Russian New Year. You know, we'll have a big parade and we'll serve hot hors d'oeuvres.
Chief, this weather bulletin just came off the wire.
Johnny, what can you make out of this?
This? Well, I could make a cap, or a brooch, a pterodactyl.
Johnny, how about some more coffee?
No thanks.
What kind of plane is it?
Oh, it's a big, pretty white plane with red stripes and curtains in the window and wheels, and it looks like a big Tylenol.
Ease off, Rex. He hasn't flown for years. It's not his fault. Could happen to any pilot.
It happened to Barbara Stanwyck.
You push him too hard. He might break. Gotta remember who you're dealing with.
Nick, Pete, Jared, there's a fire in the barn.
Bad news. The fog is getting thicker.
And Leon's getting larger.
Look at this. Passengers certain to die.
Airline negligent.
There's a sale at Penny's.
All right, I'll need 3 men up in the tower. You, Newbar, you must see us.
Me, John, big tree.
Stand by, Stryker. We're going to the tower. Good luck.
We're going to the tower.
The tower! The tower! Rapunzel! Rapunzel!
Your husband and the others are alive, but unconscious.
Just like Gerald Ford. Where did you get that dress? It's awful, and those shoes and that coat. Jeez.
Put down more